For people who want to make a career in financial marketing, what are the couple of things that they should keep in mind?
Well, I mean, like, it's a very broad term. Finance is a very broad term. So, like, I would say,
Investment banking?
yeah. So, I mean, one, there is this retail finance, right? Like, running the, like, all this like bank branches and things like that, credit cards, auto loans, like Paytm. So, like, those are like very good careers too, right? There, that's retail banking. The other thing is same thing as retail banking, but you do for the companies. That's corporate banking. You like look at the companies, their working capital and like other needs and their expenses, whatever. Like I've like I did my summers in corporate finance for ANZ Grindlays in Bangalore, but that's my only brush with corporate finance side. The third is investment banking, which is basically like you bring the companies into like you do an IPO, you tell them like should you come to the market or not, do you need more debt, how is your structure, like should you merge with another company, should you spin off something. That's the whole like investment banking thing, and that's very lucrative. The final side is like trading and asset management. So that's the part of finance that I have been involved in mostly is trading and asset management. I mean, trading is basically you're trying to find value or put a price on things that have monetary value. Practically like that's a lot of things under the sun except for like the human values and human life and things like that. But other things you can put monetary values on that. So it's just like mostly it's about how you price it. Is it priced right? And like do you want to own it? Do you want to and what is your opportunity cost of that capital, right? See, so again, that's one of the most important concepts in life: opportunity cost. So nothing is ever free, right? If you are doing one thing, you are not doing something else. If you are investing money in one thing, you are not putting it in something else. If you are एनीथिंग इन लाइफ, अगर अब आपने लिविंग रूम के लिए एक सोफा खरीद रहे हो तो वो दूसरा सोफा नहीं खरीद सकते सेम लिविंग रूम के लिए. सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए थिंग? इट्स अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. कि क्या नहीं कर रहे हो, उसकी जो वैल्यू है, इसकी वैल्यू उससे तो ज्यादा है, इसलिए ये कर रहे हो, राइट? अगर आप पार्क में टहलने जा रहे हो और मूवी नहीं देखने जा रहे हो तो इसका मतलब है कि लाइक द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट यू लाइक योर टाइम स्पेंट ऑन लाइक दैट मूवी, यू आर पुटिंग लेस वैल्यू देन you walking in the park. So that's opportunity cost. That's one concept. The other concept also like that you need here is it's again some of the like most basic concepts in life, like applicable everywhere. It's sunk cost. जो हो गया वो हो गया, मतलब जो चीज को चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो, that should never affect your decision about the future. I mean I mean it's one of the most fundamental thing. Net future डिफरेंशियल कैश फ्लो, राइट? कि आगे जो हो गया, जो सunk कॉस्ट है खत्म, जो आगे होने वाला है, राइट? उसमें इफ यू हैव टू मेक टू चॉइसेस, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन द फ्यूचर बिटवीन दोज टू थिंग्स? That's the only thing that matters. So past doesn't matter. I mean those are the two basic concepts: opportunity cost and sunk cost.
Okay. So एक सवाल मैंने आपके लिए लिख रखा था, क्योंकि आपने ये कहा था कि आपको चीजें सिंप्लीफाई कर देने का आप में ये टैलेंट है. तो एक छोटा सा सवाल है कि आप हेज फंड क्या है, ये एक लेमैन को समझाइए, और आप जो रिस्क मैनेजर हैं ये क्या करते हैं. एक छोटा सा आंसर सरल से समझाइए जो छोटे से बच्चे को भी समझ आ जाए.
सो इन सिंपल टर्म्स हेज फंड क्या है? हेज फंड वो है जो कि हमेशा पैसा बनाए, राइट? बिकॉज जस्ट बाय द नेचर ऑफ इट, जस्ट बाय द वे हेज फंड्स गेट पेड, राइट, यू ईट वॉट यू किल. सो जो बना है उसका परसेंटेज मतलब मुझे नहीं मिलता है, मालिक लोगों को मिलता है. मतलब मैं तो नौकर हूं, तो मतलब मालिक लोग जो हमारे इजराइल इंग्लैंडर है जो फर्म के है ना, तो और जो पीएम जो पोर्टफोलियो मैनेजर अगर है, एंड हेज फंड में लाइक देयर आर ऑल डिफरेंट मॉडल्स. सी लाइक म्यूचुअल फंड या लाइक लॉन्ग ओनली फंड्स, उसमें ये रहता है कि मार्केट 10% नीचे गया, हम 7% नीचे गए तो बहुत अच्छी बात है ना। हेज फंड में ये नहीं होता है, मार्केट 10% नीचे गया, अगर आपने 0 भी पैसे बनाए हैं, you get paid nothing. तो इन एनी सिचुएशन, मार्केट नीचे जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, साइडवेज जा रहा है, दुनिया उथल पथल हो रही है, you have to make money there. So for that, like obviously मार्केट को ऊपर जाने से आपको लाइक बचना है, तो मार्केट के नीचे जाने वाला चीज से आपको उसमें कुछ लगाना पड़ेगा कि जो मार्केट नीचे जाने से मतलब पैसा बने, right? So you hedge things out, and what you like trying to create is what is called alpha. Alpha is like जब तुम ये सारे रिस्क हटाने के बाद में जो तुम देख रहे हो कि कहां से आर्बिट्राज आ रहा है, that alpha. I mean, end of the day, it is about always make money, and like if you think about it, you have to hedge if you want to always make money. I mean, there is no other way. So that's why it's a hedge fund.
Okay. Thank you for this. How was the transition from a small town boy to a big trader in the global financial capital of New York?
It was funny. It was like it was very funny. Like I mean, it was like, look, I mean, I was a small town boy, but after living in IIT, like IIT, there are people from all these metro areas, all these kids. You don't lose your simplicity, but you kind of understand like how metro areas work, and like their life is different. And then I was in IIM, where there were like even more people from metro areas and other things. So it's not like I was just suddenly picked out of Bhilai and like put in New York. So I mean, there was like a huge transition, and the transition happened in India. Yeah, but like India, like when you come to America, yeah, you do all kinds of things के like वो अपने पिज्जा में केचप डाल रहे हो, दरवाजे को जब खींचना है तो धक्का दे रहे हो. There are like all these funny things you do because like even the terms were different here, right? So that lasts like 6 months. 22 साल हो गए रहते हुए अभी. 6 महीने तक like 6 महीने तक you explore, and then you explore कि ये शॉप क्या है, वो शॉप क्या है, यहाँ क्या है, like but nowadays if you come from India to America, you will not find any difference in the way things work, right? 1998 was different, but now like if you come from India to America, it's practically the same thing, same type of like it might not be the same living standard, but the systems are the same. I mean, it's democracy here, there's democracy there, like it's the same card payment system, similar type of shops. India has like malls. India has practically everything, like so in experience wise it's the same. Right now there is no learning ramp up when you come to America.
एक सवाल ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी से आया है. Is there a finance type of person as portrayed in movies and TV shows?
Is there a finance type of person as portrayed? Like, is there a nasty person? There are nasty people in every field. I mean, like there are very nasty people in every field. In finance, like in finance, look, I mean, like you need to have like a good nose, a good smell for things that are fishy. Because इतने लोग इतनी बातें करेंगे, सब बड़ी बातें करेंगे, ये वो. I mean, like all that BS. So 90% of the things you hear and like people try to sell is BS total, right? You have to figure out like what is real and what is fake.
Correct. Alok, do you want to talk about the biggest global financial crisis of 2008 and how has it shaped you? Because we all know about the Lehman Brothers crash.
Lehman Brothers crash was one of the crash that I have seen multiple crashes. Like right when I joined Wall Street, long-term capital management (LTCM) that crashed, and Russia was about Russia literally defaulted on the debt, and emerging markets all went down. So that was one crisis. Like you come here and in the 6 months, every spread is blowing out and there is complete mess all around. So that was the first one. And then so I used to I worked in the building right next to the World Trade Center, and 9/11 happened, and I saw the planes coming and hitting those buildings, and I ran from there. And then we rebuilt everything, working from very different places and everything. So that was the second crisis. 2008 was so if you have to see 2000, there was the 2008 crisis, And then while I was in Millennium, there was 2011 European crisis where the European debts spread had just skyrocketed. Italian, Greek, Spanish, like, all those things were like trading like 20%. Like, if you think of it, like, it's just so crazy. So European debt crisis I've been through. And like the biggest one is the COVID crisis, actually. Like, so COVID crisis, I mean, there's nothing like you have seen here. Like the amount of support that you need from the Federal Reserve right now, the amount of illiquidity that came to the market, like, everything literally stopped, and stopped for a reason. 2008 was, yes, like, the government stepped in. There was this TARP program, and there was a liquidity thing. Hank Paulson and Geithner, they kind of took care of it. I lost money in 2008. I lost money, yeah, because Lehman Brothers went bankrupt, and a part of our bonus that is paid to us is in RSUs and the stocks and options. So yes, I lost money in 2008 personally.
So like you mentioned, COVID, what kind of changes are happening within you? How your thinking is changing? Anything there you would like to mention?
In the financial market terms, I mean, there is like it's just everything is running on government support right now, and mostly the Federal Reserve support. Okay. At this point, Federal Reserve is buying like the government bonds left, right, and center. They are buying the mortgage bonds. They were like talking about buying equities. They are buying corporate debt. So like what is the market? I mean, like, if you can read what the Fed is going to do and like front run the Fed, like, you make money. And like a lot of people have made a lot of money that way. Right. Correct. But fundamentally, like, think like, yes, I mean, like, there are all these loans given to commercial properties, to malls, restaurants. That's collapsed completely. And people would have defaulted big time on their home mortgage payments, but then the government stepped in and said, like, there is this grace period of paying the mortgages, and like, if you don't pay, that will be tagged to the back of your loan. So it's a completely different crisis with very. 9/11 happened one day. Yeah, like, it's very sad. A lot of people died, but it was a one-day event. And from the day two, it was rebuilding.
Correct.
Here you don't know, like, where, like, it's where it's going, like how long this will last, even the vaccine will be useful or not, or like, it's not just vaccine. I went to my office day before yesterday. I went to New York. I mean, things are open. I mean, it's nobody stopped me from taking a train that I usually used to take from my home to the city. Nobody has stopped you from like flying anywhere. There are planes. It's just that people are scared. There is no demand. There is no demand for anything, right? Correct. People are scared of going into bars. People are scared of like traveling in the public transport. People are scared of flying, going on vacation. So it's
correct.
Right, and that, so even if everything becomes good, right, what can you do with the human fear? You can't. I mean, like, you just have to take it. The human fear can come from whatever. I mean, there is no reason for it. I mean, right now there is reason for it, but the fear can persist longer.
Correct. So what kind of career changes you're seeing, new trends in career, any piece of advice to anybody who would like to survive or start up, maybe anything?
Well, I mean, if you look during this time, if you look at Nasdaq and all the technology shares, they are like, they are where like, nobody ever thought they would be. And they are still they are on fire, right? So all the technology solutions, like, people are working from home, or like everything is delivered to your home, and just in general, it's like, so things are changing. I mean, like, you say we are living a decade in a year, right? जो तुमने सोचा होगा कि changes 10 साल लगेगा, 15 साल लगेगा, 1 साल में हो रहा है वो सब कुछ इतने तेजी से, like, चीजें change हो रही है. Productivity बढ़ेगी. Productivity will go up a lot because of all this, like, because of all this technology. Productivity will go up a lot. At the same time, like, a lot of these industries are suffering big time. There is no entertainment industry left anymore. Like, Broadway shows are closed, cinema halls are closed, no movie production.
Lot of
Actually,
changes happening.
yeah, actually, like no movie production, but one good thing is happening. Mirzapur 2 is coming on October 23rd. I'm waiting for that. I don't know how they produced it. I don't know how they produced it, but I'm waiting for that Mirzapur 2.
All right. All right. Acha, Alok ji, when we take your name, it's with a lot of respect and mostly in awe. And many of our friends consider you as one of the most successful person we know. Please define what success means to you.
I think happiness means success to me. Like if you are happy, I mean, you are the most successful person, right? And happiness doesn't come from big things. Happiness comes from small things. You are walking in the park, you look at a tree, right? It's like nice breeze. You help someone something little. You hear a like short piece of music. I mean, सबको मरना है एक दिन, right? इसमें क्या सक्सेस, like look at the, like, okay, here, look at the bigger picture. If sun is the size of a soccer ball, right? Earth is a dust particle, right? 26 meters away, floating in darkness. उसमें like इतने सारे humans रह रहे हैं, right? And like if Earth is the size of a soccer ball in New York, the nearest star is another soccer ball in Paris. Void in between, blank. दो स्टार के बीच में इतना डिफरेंस है. Just our Milky Way has 100 billion stars.
Correct.
In the visible universe, there are like probably like 300 billion galaxies. So human life is trivial. Human life actually has no purpose. We are like actually made out of like molecules, and for most of the time in our existence of the universe, we didn't exist. We came to this planet like we came to this planet evolved like around 100-200,000 years back, when the universe is 13 billion years old. So yes. I mean, it's a like human life is very purposeless. We give purpose to it. What purpose you give to your life, right? At the end of the day, I mean, there is no definition of success, or there is no definition of purpose in life. Like it's depends on you. Be happy, like as long as you are happy, and as long as yeah.
All right. आपने इतना ज्यादा ट्रैवल किया है, तो आपने ट्रैवलिंग से क्या सीखा है?
I mean, like different. Every single country has like different things to learn. I mean, one is obviously the historical facts, not historical facts, the history, or like when you go to the pyramids sites, or when you see the like the old like you go to Machu Picchu, you see how the Incas were like so powerful at one time. They are nowhere now. You go to, I mean, and like you just see like how big this world is, like, and and it's just beautiful. The word is so beautiful. There are like such beautiful places in there. If you can, like if you can, you should travel.
Yeah, correct. Traveling is really important. अभी बंद है, तो अभी घर में रहो और वीडियो कॉल करो. आप आलोक बहुत ही, आपके दोस्तों में आप बहुत लोकप्रिय हैं, और मैंने आपकी दोस्ती पिछले कुछ सालों से ही पाई है. हालांकि हमारे पापा दोनों के मित्र रहे हैं, लेकिन बचपन से मैंने आलोक शर्मा को नहीं जाना, तो मेरे बचपने में आपका रोल कम रहा है. लेकिन आपको मैंने एक बहुत अच्छा दोस्त पाया है. तो आप मुझे एसेंशियल क्वालिटीज ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप जरूर बताइए, या एक फ्रेंड अच्छा बनने के लिए क्या करना पड़ता है?
सैक्रिफाइस करना पड़ता है, या सैक्रिफाइस करने के लिए रेडी रहना पड़ता है.
बहुत सही बात बताई.
अभी मेरे शहर से लाइक साल भर पहले एक जो लाइक बहुत क्लोज फ्रेंड नहीं, राइट, ही वेंट बैक टू इंडिया. लेकिन इंडिया आने के पहले वो मुझे फोन कर आपसे मिल रहा है, लाइक वो घर आया, लाइक he came to home and all, like so he said his wife asked him, if 2 in the night you need some help, who are you going to call? He said, I'll call Alok Sharma. He said, but he is not your best friend. He is not like your closest friend. He said, no, that is not the answer. That is not the question you asked me. You asked me at 2 in the night, who are you going to call? And I think the person I will call is Alok Sharma, because he will drop whatever he is doing and he will come for me, right? तो वो अगर दोस्ती की है तो निभाओ, दोस्ती की है तो अगर उसमें लाइक यू हैव टू पुट ए फ्लोर कि इस लेवल के नीचे मैं तुमको पेन नहीं होने दूंगा। अगर तुम मेरे फ्रेंड हो तो चाहे जो करना पड़े, इसके नीचे तुम नहीं गिर सकते, राइट? So it's like in finance it's called a put option, writing a put option. So what is friendship? It's writing a put option on your friend's life.
All right. Brace up yourself, Alok. I'm going to ask you rapid fire questions.
अरे बाप रे,
तैयार हैं आप?
मतलब नहीं हूं तो ऑप्शन क्या है मेरे पास? भाग सकता हूँ, भाग जाता हूँ।
Okay. Favorite holiday destination and why? What makes a holiday great?
Favorite, like the Christmas thing?
No,
oh,
holiday
this is
destination.
rapid fire.
हाँ.
Favorite
holiday
destination. Oh,
yes.
But that's Adirondacks in New York. That's close to me. Like I rent cabins there, like miles and miles of nobody living forest, like Adirondacks, New York.
Okay. Favorite Chhattisgarhi dish?
इधर कड़ी.
And I must tell you, मैंने कई लोगों से बात की है, केवल इसमें चैट शो में नहीं, अदरवाइज भी भिलाई में रहने वाले बहुत सारे लोगों को छत्तीसगढ़ी खानों के बारे में पता ही नहीं है।
हमारे यहाँ सब बनता है, हमारे यहाँ सब बनता है। रचना इधर कढ़ी बेस से बना मतलब वो पत्ते लाके उसके ऊपर वो बेसन लगा के उसको रोल करके उसको उबाल के करके वैसा वो इधर कढ़ी, वो लाइक रेडीमेड वाला भी नहीं है। इधर कढ़ी बनता है हमारे यहाँ, पोई भाजी और बाकी ये जो छोटी बड़ी और बड़ा रखिया बड़ी और ये बिजौरी लाइबरी, वो तो मैं इन सब के साथ लेके आता हूँ। एक सूटकेस तो मेरा पूरा उससे भरा रहता है हमेशा।
बहुत अच्छा। चलिए, अभी आपका फेवरेट क्यूजीन क्या है वर्ल्ड वाइड? आप तो इतना बाहर खाना वाना खाते हैं, तो आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगता है?
सबसे अच्छा मुझे लगता है रचना जो बनाती है। And she can make anything, but she can make like real
बीबी के हाथ का
version.
खाना तो ठीक है। I am asking about international cuisines.
International French.
French. Okay. Any unfulfilled desire?
No. I'm ready to die. If I have to die right now,
don't say that again and again. We understand that. I'm also ready to die, but we should not say it again and again. Okay? अच्छा, आप ये बताइए, आप किस तरह की किताबें पढ़ते हैं?
किस तरह का किताबें पढ़ता हूँ? Let's see. I mean, like everything. Like if you see at the back, if you can see, there is like finance. There is about evolution. There is about biology. There is about physics. Like books on math. Anything like anything that's interesting.
More like textbook kind of books, which I remember.
Yeah. Okay. If you ask that, no. I don't think I have read a work of fiction in years, like probably decade. Like last time I read a novel must have been like 15 years back. No, yeah. So yes, that's one thing wrong with me. I don't read fiction. I read all non-fiction.
We are just trying to learn more about you, so I ask this. ठीक है। आप छत्तीसगढ़ी भी जानते हैं और खाना वहां का पता है, तो क्या आप 5 सब्जियों के नाम छत्तीसगढ़ी में बता सकते हैं, या 2 के भी चलेंगे?
दुबकी कढ़ी, मतलब ये तो बनती है हमारे घर में। पोई भाजी, दुबकी कढ़ी, राइट, और इधर कढ़ी, और लाइक वो जो करेला का वो छिलके का बेसन के साथ वो बहुत पसंद था हमारी मम्मी को और हमारे मामा जी को। सो दिस
All right.
We actually like cook these things on a regular basis. It's not just like recounting names. Like
okay. So आप खेकसी भी खाते होंगे?
खेकसी यहाँ नहीं मिलती है। नहीं, खेकसी यहाँ नहीं मिलती। परवल है, परवल आलू तो अपना वहाँ का वो
All right.
उसके बिना तो शादी नहीं होती थी, परवल आलू के बिना। Yeah.
Final few questions. What is the most weird thing that you have ever done?
I've been through like so much weird things done. I mean, it's a tough question to I've done so many weird things. Like there's I mean, like you have to ask what weird thing you have not done.
Maybe your craziest Halloween getup.
Last year's.
बताइए आप लोगों को.
Actually दिखाना है क्या? Wait. So I have to bring it up in here. Wait, let's see.
Right.
Let's see. Uh,
सीमा दीदी, हमारे यहाँ भी जरी भाजी मिलती है, आपको गुड़गांव में नहीं मिलती, तो मेरा कहना है कि आप उगाइए उसको।
क्या
आप भाजिया खाते हैं आलोक जी? चेच भाजी, करमत्ता
चेज
भाजी,
चेज
लाल
नहीं,
भाजी
चेज नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे, चौलाई
नहीं
मिलता
मिलता
है,
है।
चौलाई मिलता
चौलाई
है।
मिलता है। हाँ, मैंने तो
या
आज चौलाई बनाया है। अब वैसे भिंडी को रमकरिया कहते हैं, आपको पता है?
रमकरिया कहते हैं?
हाँ,
या
भिंडी का नाम भिंडी नहीं है छत्तीसगढ़ में।
नहीं, ये नई चीज सीखने मिली
सब्जी
है।
लेने जाओ, कुंदरू मिलता है आपके यहाँ?
ऑफ कोर्स कुंदरू मिलता है, कुंदरू क्यों नहीं मिलेगा?
राइट। While you are finding the picture, the next
I
question,
found it here.
you found
Let
it?
me share
Okay.
it.
So ये आलोक जी का लास्ट ईयर का हेलोवीन गेटअप देखिए आप लोग। शेयर स्क्रीन। ऑल राइट।
या
ये
आई
आलोक,
क्रॉस ड्रेस्ड। 2 घंटे लगे थे मेकअप करवाने में। हमारी एक फ्रेंड है जिसका मेकअप पार्लर है, उनके पास गया था,
हाँ,
है ना, विग
ये
लेके।
तो मैंने तो ये पूरा एल्बम देख लिया था और इसको बढ़ा दिया था थिंकिंग कि कोई गेस्ट होगा आपका। फिर मैंने आपको याद है पूछा था आपसे कि आप कौन से वाले हो। हम लोगों ने
2 घंटे
पहचाना
लगे
नहीं
थे
कौन
मेकअप
था।
करने में, लेकिन उसने ऐसा चेहरा चेंज कर दिया। She like used a brush and paint, like, and like completely changed my face here. Completely changed my face here. Yeah, it's
वंडरफुल,
an art.
वंडरफुल।
So I mean, this used to be an art. This is called drag. So
ऑलराइट।
so एक समय था जब like the girls would not be able to act on the stage, and it would be the guys like in all the
यस,
stage
यस।
performances, and like other performances. So this is called drag, like it's an art form basically.
Right. Can you rate, these are very crucial 5 things in your importance, in the order they are important to you: money, friends, happiness, health and family. Number 1, number 2, number 3 बता दीजिए।
Family comes first, friends come second,
Right.
and what else was there?
Health, happiness and money.
Yeah, health comes third, definitely, right? Yeah, after health, happiness, and then money.
All right. आलोक जी, एक फॉर्मूला कोई दे सकते हैं बच्चों के लिए जो वो यहाँ से याद करके जाएं, और मतलब जैसे कि पेन प्लस रिफ्लेक्शन की हमारी बात हो रही थी इज इक्वल टू प्रोग्रेस। सो आप कोई एक मूल मंत्र या दे के जाइए उनको कि जैसे घूटी पिला के हमने बच्चों को यहाँ से भेजा है और जो भी आपको देख रहे हैं।
No, I would say the same thing. No pain, no gain, right? No pain, no gain. You can't, like, as I said, like, there is an element of luck in life, definitely in everything. But that luck, ब्रह्मा से कुछ लिखा भाग्य में मनुष्य नहीं लाया है, अपना सुख उसने अपने ही भुजबल से पाया है। दैट्स द फर्स्ट लाइन, रामधारी सिंह दिनकर। ब्रह्मा का अभिलेख पढ़ा करते निरुद्यमी प्राणी, धोते वीर कुअंक भाल का बहा भ्रुवों से पानी, right? So like even if you want luck, you will not get luck, like, unless you go through the pain.
So wonderfully put. आलोक, आपने यहाँ पे अभी कहा कि आप नास्तिक हैं, आपने गीता के इतने सारे बातें हमें बताई, आपको कंठस्थ है कई श्लोक। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपने बचपन में अलसस्य कुतो विद्या, अविद्यस्य कुतो धनम, अधनस्य कुतो मित्रम, अमित्रस्य कुतः सुखम को बाई हार्ट किया था, और आपने अपने आलस को सबसे पहले त्याग दिया। उसके बाद हर चीज आपके पीछे पीछे दौड़ी भागी चली आई।
अब हो रहा हूँ आलसी, उम्र हो रही है,
आलसी हो रहे हैं।
अब आलसी हो रहा हूँ। नहीं, मजाक कर रहा हूँ। या मतलब गीता और लाइक ये सब धर्म था, ये था कि मतलब वैसे भी लाइक दादाजी पुरोहिती करते थे थोड़ा, तो उनके पास किताबें रहती थी। बचपन में हमारे यहाँ टीवी तो होता नहीं था, है ना टीवी था, ना फोन था, कुछ भी नहीं था। तो गर्मी की छुट्टियों में क्या करोगे, या तो नाना नानी के घर जाओगे, धमतरी के पास में गांव है कनेरी, वहां जाके रहोगे, या महासमुंद में रहोगे जहाँ दादा दादी का घर था, है ना। तो अब वहां पे क्या है, मतलब वहां पे टीवी है ना कुछ है, और 10 बजे से ऐसी लू चलने लगेगी 10-11 बजे से कि तब तो खेल नहीं सकते, या तो सवेरे खेलोगे या शाम को खेलोगे। बाकी सवेरे 9-10 बजे से लेके शाम 4-4:30 बजे तक, जब तक वो कोई पानी नहीं छीजेगा आंगन में, तब तक क्या करोगे? घर के अंदर बैठना है चुपचाप, है ना?
सही बात
और
है,
जो
हाँ।
किताबें हैं वही, और सारी धर्म की किताबें हैं तो सारी धर्म की किताबें ही पढ़ोगे, मतलब वो इसमें।
बहुत बहुत ही मजा आ गया आपसे बात करके आलोक। We constantly feel nourished and enriched with your friendship. Thank you so very much for enriching experience.
Thank you.
Always a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you so much, Alok. So we आपको अपने फ्रेंड्स को बाय करना है तो कर दीजिए। आपकी पेंटिंग की बहुत तारीफें हुई हैं यहाँ पे।
दया माया बनाए रखूं।
Bye bye. Thank you friends for joining.